Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power. Today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, let's open settings. Then you have to go to the security section. Then fingerprint. Then you have to select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll just pick PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN, then confirm it. Select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen, so you can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just don't show any notifications. Then you have to find your fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your device, and just tap it with your finger several times like this for it to remember your fingerprint. And that's it, fingerprint added. And now, for example, we can unlock our device without entering PIN code, but only with just your fingerprint. You can just lean your finger on it without even pressing power key and unlock your device like this. Wow, unbelievable. You see, it's locked, and I do like this, and it unlocks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.